Welcome back to Byte, your hub for the most exhilarating innovations in the world of vehicles. Today, we present to you something truly revolutionary, an unprecedented blend of Italian racing soul and luxury motorhome engineering. This is not a dream. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a concept that was once unthinkable, now sculpted into reality, shaking up the high-end touring segment like never before. For the first time in history, Ferrari dares to enter the motorhome market with a vehicle that carries the bloodline of Maranello's most iconic supercars while merging it with the serene, expansive, and luxurious lifestyle of long-haul RV touring. Let's dive deep into this masterpiece of design, speed, technology. It's an unfiltered Italian flair. At first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome completely shatters every preconceived notion of what a recreational vehicle should look like. Gone are the boxy, utilitarian silhouettes. In their place is a sleek, aerodynamic profile that oozes speed even when stationary. Crafted with lightweight carbon fiber, enforced polymers, and advanced aluminum-magnesium alloy, the entire frame is a sculptural wonder. Every panel is hand-assembled with surgical precision, adorned with Ferrari's signature Rosso Cosa red paint, accented with black ceramic inserts and chrome Ferrari badging. Sits low to the ground on massive 24-inch forged aluminum wheels. Designed to withstand long journeys without compromising performance, active aero components, including a dynamic rear diffuser and retractable front splitters, assist not only in handling but fuel efficiency and cooling on cross-country trips. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath its engineered chassis resides a hybrid powertrain inspired by the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine pairs with 3 electric motors to produce an astonishing combined output of 1,000 horsepower. This is no sluggish beast. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, a stat nearly unheard of in the RV world. The dual-mode drivetrain allows seamless switching between full electric mode for silent city cruising and raw V8 power when open roads call for it. It features Ferrari's patented Imanitino drive selector, letting you choose between multiple drive modes: Turismo, Tista, Eco, RV, and All-Terraneous. Even Ferrari's engineers made sure this luxury machine can navigate gravel, hills, and light off-road trails with confidence. As you enter through the precision-milled, soft close side door, you're immediately transported into a realm of ultra-modern luxury. The interior is nothing short of a 5-star suite. The cabin is dressed in Alcantara, fine Italian leather, carbon fiber, and brushed titanium. Lighting is fully ambient, controlled through Ferrari's proprietary HMI interface that syncs with your personal preferences. The living space offers a plush L-shaped lounge with temperature-controlled seating and hidden massage features. A 75-inch old cinematic screen unfolds from the central wall, while a 20-speaker Bang & Olufsen surround sound system bathes the space in symphonic perfection. Even the window tints adjust automatically based on external light conditions, offering panoramic views without compromising privacy. The kitchen area is uniquely Italian, compact, yet marvelously efficient, featuring a full induction cooktop, a smart oven, a concealed wine chiller, and a carbon fiber retractable countertop. Lends gourmet capability with Ferrari aesthetics. Custom-made espresso machines are standard because in Ferrari tradition, the morning must start with perfect coffee. The cabinets are designed with push-to-open magnetic latches and lined with anti-vibration foam, so everything stays secure even when driving at speed. The bedroom suite is no less extravagant. It features a queen-size memory foam bed with adaptive lumbar support, integrated sleep monitoring, and an overhead electrochromic skylight that lets you stargaze from bed. Side panels house wireless phone chargers, reading lamps, and biometric safes for personal valuables. Every fabric, stitch, and seam is hand-curated by Ferrari's in-house design team, drawing inspiration from their GT interiors at the rear. The SPO-style bathroom is fitted with a rainfall shower system, infrared heating panels, smart mirrors, and a self-cleaning toilet tenturing that even the most mundane parts of your journey are elevated. Technology in the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is on another level. Ferrari integrates its latest AI assistant, Maranello Mode, which monitors traffic, weather, terrain, and driver biometrics in real time. The RV is also equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free travel on highways. A 360-degree drone surveillance system deploys from the roof, keeping watch over your surroundings during remote camping stops. Solar panels line the rooftop, feeding a 120 kWh solid-state battery array that powers everything on board, offering full off-grid living for up to 5 days, without the need for external charging or fuel refills. Connectivity options include 5G, satellite internet, augmented reality heads-up displays, and a full telematics suite that syncs to the Ferrari mobile app. Navigation routes can be plotted with scenic optimization, EV charging station waypoints, and even restaurant recommendations curated by Michelin reviewers. And when you're parked, the Ferrari Motorhome deploys its self-leveling hydraulic suspension, automatically stabilizing the vehicle even on uneven ground, making your campsite feel like a grounded luxury yacht. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. Storage compartments are precision-engineered into the bodywork, with automatic slide-out tool drawers, climate-controlled luggage spaces, and even a concealed rear garage that can house a Ferrari SF90 Spider or an e-bike system. Yes, you can. Bring a second Ferrari along with you. The onboard water purification system filters any source lake, stream, or tap into potable water with advanced UV sterilization. Waste systems are vacuum-sealed and odorless, using aerospace-grade sanitation tech originally developed for Mars missions, with only 99 units being produced globally. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a limited edition dream. Prices start at a staggering $3.1 million United States dollars, with bespoke customizations pushing some units well past $4 million. Each motorhome is built to order at a newly established Ferrari touring division in Maranello, where select clients are invited to collaborate with Ferraris designers in creating their ideal mobile sanctuary. Owners will also receive exclusive access to Ferrari RV rallies, VIP concierge service worldwide, and a lifetime subscription to the Maranello Mobile Club, an elite community of Ferrari's most loyal and adventurous clientele. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future, a statement of refined exploration, and a living embodiment of luxury in motion. It challenges everything we know about what an RV can be, and redefines long-distance travel for those who demand nothing but the best. Ferrari has proven once again that boundaries are meant to be broken. And with this daring creation, they've not only entered a new market, they've conquered it. Whether you're cruising the Pacific Coast Highway or parked beside a vineyard in Tuscany, the Ferrari Motorhome ensures your journey is as legendary as the destination itself. Thanks for watching Byte. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more jaw-dropping reviews from the future of automotive excellence. Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and keep your wheels moving.